To you all. So, I would like to thank you all for just taking your time off your busy schedules to attend this event. Most especially to our friends from the media. Your role has been very, very vital in this age of misinformation. So as an employee of this company for 4 years, our bosses would always remind us to do everything with utmost honesty, which are all rooted in what was said in the earlier speeches. So as a marketing manager, for instance, we are really taught to communicate our products truthfully and humbly. Everything must be backed up by science. And when we price our products, we cannot deceive our customers through large discounts. And so, this culture of trust in Euronext is what made us conceptualize this event. We invited you to see our efforts in winning the trust of the Filipino consumers. So, to our host, Ms. Janina Chan, and to our esteemed guests, si Sir Ato, Ms. Eliza Valdez, Ms. Pauline Luna Soto, the POA, or the Philippine Orthopedic Association, and the Philippine Society of Sleep Medicine. So, thank you so much for working with us and having full faith in us. Also, thank you to Reader's Digest. So, we're in the presence of Ms. Sharon White and Ms. Rebecca Chang and Ms. Marina Garcia. So, thank you for working with us and just having full faith in us. And your seal of approval for Euronext is a great honor for us. So, as persons of authority, you have become our ambassadors to show what makes Euronext different from the rest. And we chose you because we share the value of trust, and we thank you for choosing us as well. So again, I'd like to thank Reader's Digest for the 17 years of recognition and encouragement. This award is a symbol that our hard work in winning the trust of the Filipino consumers is paying off. This award promotes the intangibles that are important in today's world, which are quality, value, listening to the customer, innovation, and social responsibility. All of you have, one way or another, have become part of our 57 years in the industry. And with that, I would like to thank each and every single one of you. You inspire us to keep working hard and get better every single day. Cheers to you all.